Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get Steam guard codes from the Steam mobile application. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Steam application in my mobile device, and right now I want to add the authenticator. At the middle of the screen, you can see this button right here. Simply click on it. And likewise, once you do, simply click on this Add Authenticator button right here. Click on it right now. Now once you do, it's gonna send you a verification code on your registered email address. I'm gonna go there right now. Well guys, as you can see, I have received an email like this, and this right here is the code. I'm just gonna input it right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered the code. Now I am just going to verify it. And guys, this is it. As you can see, this right here is a code. This code will let you recover your account if you ever lose access to it. Well, do note that you should not share this with anyone. But now I'm simply gonna hit on done. And guys, that's it. Simply scan a Steam QR code to sign in as. Well guys, this is it. I'm gonna scan it right now. And guys, that's about it. Once everything's okay, simply hit on sign in to Steam. Now guys, this is it. This is how we get Steam guard codes from the Steam application. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.